Adamu? Adamu, come on. Are you not Adamu? Oh yeah, come out. Come out, come out. Come out! I bet you the crazy. You the look. I go kick you. Come on. Adamu, how many times I don't tell you, say, make you know the touch a customer's car? How many times I don't tell you? Adamu? Say they swear for you. One second for money. Say, only best in money.
Ah.
You say,
Okay. You know what's happening? This motor, something they do somehow, they do kulum inside that place. Now I talk, say, make I check. You know that thing now, for that.
Kulum, sir? So, you don't own them before? Say you get the key for your hand, where you take it. Eh? Adamu, I go swear for you. For this is what you do. How many times I don't tell you, say, never in your life touch it, anything we have put for that like this. Make you know the touch am. I mean, you know, say, this thing where you do, it bad. Why you can't touch the car?
Okay. I dey always tell you, no give up on me.
Eh?
As you dey look me so, my future is so bright. The bright so tey one day, I go do freedom for your shop like this. After I don't do that freedom, I go come go build one big workshop. We go big where. I go come employ you, say, make you come be oga pata. May no be like, say, I be one kind boy. We no sabi.
Me? Adamu, you the crazy.
Okay.
You the crazy. You. For me to do workers under you. Say you hear, you sabi the thing where you dey talk. Adamu, you the crazy. Adamu.
No.
Look, sorry ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ. Ọmọ kékeré tó ní tó ń bá dàgbà. Orí ẹyẹlé lòun ó máa jẹ. Orí ẹyẹlé ò ní jó dàgbà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo sọ fún ọ. The small pikin wey talk say, when he grow up, na elderly person go dey ride like this. Elderly head no go allow the boy to grow. You want to say me?
No.
Shut up your mouth. Come and go and bring Swiss spanner for me.
Sir?
Go and get me. Get me Swiss spanner. You crazy. Hey! Adamu, come. Say true the thing where you talk. Say in the church they tell you that thing. Abi na you just see the thing for dream. Come on, go. Come. Useless boy. What? I said make you give me 6 spanner.
Okay, now 6 spanner be this now. Now I go bring. You know. 6.
Wait, this one?
Yes.
This one?
Eh.
I said give me 6 spanner.
Hey, Oga, now 6 I bring. Oh, make I count and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You complete now.
You complete?
You complete.
Adamu, I say 6 spanner.
Oga Kasali, sometimes I don't like waiting you do. You say I go bring 6 spanner. No be 6 spanner I carry come. You see am? You know see am?
Hey.
Now 6.
Adamu, I no see. Look, Adamu, make I tell you, you be mistake. You be mistake for your mama wey born you. For you to enter your mama belly. They for no born you at all. If for good. And make I tell you one thing. I go advise your people. Make them look you. Make them go find slippers for you. Get osuka for you. Get bag for you. And yama clothes. Make you dey go sell pure water. That one go better for you. This one what you dey do. Mechanic no be your way. I say make you give me 6 spanner. Adamu.
Now 6 spanner be this. My make I can't time again.
Shut up your mouth. I said 6 spanner. You go give me this one.
Hey, sexy lady.
Adamu.
Okay.
You dey craze? I dey talk to you, they look another place. You dey craze?
Oga Kasali.
Shut up! What do you? Look, na me go kill you. One day I go kill you. I go make sure say I kill you. You this useless man. Useless. One day I go kill you by myself. I go make sure say I kill you. Adamu, what you talk for this one to? Adamu, what you? Adamu?
This matter, you don't get too serious and I don't like it. You don't know, say, that time where Oga dey punish me for workshop. I don't pay attention as I see you. All this thing where they go through, na because of you, but you don't understand. You know see what they go through. You know see as Oga Kasali dey do.
Adamu? Which country be this?
Now because of you now.
Like, I don't, we see they do, like, I don't understand.
You are not still getting this thing. When you won't get down, what I want you do is simple. Just come to my house one night, chicken, and you go come out everything.
You know, I live with my brother. Where have you my brother side?
Why you could stay with your brother? Say this thing, and now you're not getting this thing, no. You're not getting this thing, no.
If I don't stay with my brother, which person has one master?
My house gets space, but you don't go understand. You don't go understand. You know what you just do? I don't reason your point. Oh, fine, how good. Because that's your brother. Now my number one enemy in this hotel. I hate your brother. That, he go just they disturb everything. But notwithstanding, we can still find how we go do and somehow you supposed to understand now.
Wow. Tell me.
And then you are not getting it. This your brother. Na me go kill am last. Calm down. Now why you do like this?
You go do now before my brother go begin find me.
Okay. And then you know I still dey go. Just give me that wow. You try something.
No. You people can kiss now. You think no? I'm not against you. But what's wrong with you? You useless. But this way you are. Maybe you want to kiss him.
No.
You want to kiss her? No, you push to kiss. No, kiss now. I'm not stopping you now.
No, we are not kissing.
We are not to say you want kiss. You just want to come on something here.
Oh, so you're even saying I'm very stupid now, Abi?
No,
No, why you are not going to kiss again? This stupid mechanic boy. You okay? Get out of this place, my friend. Very foolish human being. Come here. You think you have a useless brother that is working for you aimlessly, Abi? This is why I brought from the village to come and work here. No. And you're following yourself with mechanic. Of all people, mechanic.
Not.
Come. Don't about telling me it's my fight here, just go for my phone, Charlie. Only around.
No, be you talk say make I go straight in this thing. Now I can't do now. You can't the big person again.
When I say make you go straight am, so now on top of this country I say make you straight am.
Okay, Kasali, why you do like? No, be you talk say make I go find some strong surface. Ma carry this thing come. Ma go straight in on top the strong surface. No, be strong surface I carry and come.
It's strong. Hey, this one.
You know strong.
You good like that. Look, you be mistake. Now every time I tell you, say you be mistake. For you to come from heaven to this world. Now mistake. You want send me go our village. You want take Bese to send me go our village.
Okay.
Abi, before you go take Bese, send me back to my village. Let me go first kill you. I go send you go heaven. Where I carry this thing. Carry am. Carry am. Adamu, carry am.
I don't go do am again.
Do am. Who tell you say make you don't do am? Do am again. Before you go send me go jail. Let me go first send you go heaven. I go kill you. Let me go kill you. You go heaven.
Kasali. As you look me so, I go die yo.
Die. I don't want you again. Die. I want make you die now. Die.
Okay, you know what? I go buy you 2 bottles of other food.
No buy me drink. Make you no bribe me. I no want. You want to tell me go village? I go kill you.
No be bribe, eh? I just want to give you the drink. Say me you no vex.
Make I no first. So that's why you won't buy me drink?
Yes.
I like you. Sometimes when your will never come to your head, you do good well. But now, okay, you'll be good boy now. Come on, put your hand down. I know say you good. You be good boy. See, make you not do that kind of thing again. Yeah? Okay, make you not do that. You good. Sometimes you do good well. When your mind never comes to your brain, you go good. I like you well. Make you know they do that kind of thing again. You hear me? No, you know say that. No, they do that. Now go say me that too.
You know what? I know even know say that thing as it is. If it spoil, me I don't know.
You no go spoil. You don't know say na glass. When you knock iron with the glass, what go do? You go break. So make you don't do that kind of thing. You say you want buy me drink?
2 bottles.
Cold one.
Cold.
Okay, go buy the drink. Go.
Pastra baby. You see this your jedi here? Anytime I take her like this, it dey shock my body somehow.
It go shock you. I bet you go kill you. Now if that anyone buy.
You want me jedi kill you?
It go still kill you.
You see, if you say that to die on top your jedi matter like this, I know why. Just give me one. May I take and start?
That's the apple.
I go buy jedi. And I go still take additional jedi.
Which additional jedi you won't buy?
Additional.
Which additional jedi? Hey, don't touch me. Something they do you. Why they touch me?
Masira.
I bet if one buy jedi, me buy. If no one buy, I can't go.
Okay, I know what they do.
Wetin they do?
Make I buy jedi first. Bring one, come.
Jedi no ma pay. Jedi no ma pay.
Masira.
Why not touch me? This kind of nonsense be that one. Got to mom no niye. O ko se láti 2 years go ti mo se. Won ati jedi no.
What do you mean?
By waiting.
No, they carry that kind thing come. So because say I dey play with you like this, you can't dey rubbish me. If you know me, I go put finger inside your eyes.
They no born you well. Adamu, they no born you well. You no fit. Adamu, they no born you well.
Just that sometimes, this your eyes, you go dey tickle me somehow. But
something dey worry. Yeah, touch me again. Why you gonna use your hand to press my body? Eh?
I don't understand. You slapped me. Bro, my car. My car. It's on the mango tree.
Mango tree? What's on the mango tree?
I'm here to pick my car, Daddy. Bros, I don't know, say. I don't know how sleep take enter my body like that.
Have you finished fixing it?
Yes, your car is ready now. Everything's in order. But that your motor, give me problem. You see what I do inside that motor? I sweat like this. But everything is under control now. Your motor is fine.
So how much is my charges now?
Bros, before I talk your charges, I want make you understand wetin do your motor go. So that you no go think say I won't dupe you. Hi. The first thing we change the fuel pump. We change the kerosene tap. We change the injector. We even change the generator where they under one box like this. Under it, we change everything because that stand where they affect your motor. Now one kind serious thing. If you even knock your engine, but everything is under control now.
Do you even know what you are saying at all? Kerosene pump, generator under the car.
Oh. What do you know? No, what do you know? Maybe you just drive motor ni. Now we be the mechanic. Now we know what do motor. You know sabi anything. So just listen to your mechanic. Now everything where we change inside your motor be that. But everything is okay now.
So how much am I going to pay you now?
Ross, make I not lie you. Your money na 50,000.
50,000? For what now? Did you change the entire engine?
We almost change the entire engine. That engine where they use, you go knock soon. But we don't fix some things we go make am last small before you knock finally. But for now, if you dey manage am, dey go.
Me, I don't have 50,000. I'll give you 20k. That's all.
20,000 naira. It's okay. Because say I won't make you our customer. Maybe they visit us again. Now reason why I won't collect that money from you be that bring them.
I don't have cash. Give me your account number. Let me transfer.
Now my personal account I will give you because I don't make everybody know say now me fix the cash you know. So now my personal account I will give you 01. For our workshop, I've been video. Only me. Oh.
Adam, listen now.
Could you? Could you?
What's up?
You see that in baby? I like him so much. I like him so much. But the problem where I get, now that idiot, put inside that bar, him brother. They always do like say, now he won't marry his sister. The thing they always vex me. I don't know what thing they do the guy. He go just do his eyes like this. Anytime he see me close to Ene. If I touch Ene like this, the guy go dey back like dog. I don't know whether he won't do his sister himself. And as you they look Ene, As you dey look Enesu, Ene like me. She too like me. But you no fit come. I like Ene die. I fit die on top Amata. And the babe too, she like me die. But that idiot. I mean Amo.
Ene, she like you. She like mechanic.
Which kind nonsense talk with that one? Which kind of thing you just talk now? Mechanic no be human being. So you think say I be ordinary mechanic like this? If you don't know, make I yarn you. Only me as I dey, I don service a complete motor for our workshop. Where Oga no dey o, and I collect the money myself. I be big boy. No, the thing say which I no be yeye.
What of Adamu?
Kill this guy! Manager. The manager. My one and only manager. Wetin happen? Na this calculator all the time. Buy all the time. Wetin happen? No be say they even increase your salary.
Wetin come concern you? You see, shey no be when I dey work na be this. Why you come disturb me? Why you disturbing me here now, Oga? Go to your own workplace. So go to your workplace.
Akiti no ni be alafiṣe. I pity you. I wan help you. That's why I come here.
You are here to help. Have you even look at yourself? You maybe say you need help yourself. You are saying you are here to help me. You are not here to help you. Go help yourself first.
I wan tell you something.
Oga, wetin you want? No disturb me for here now.
Calm down, Joe. You know that mechanic guy? Adamu.
That short useless something. Wait, what's my man with the mechanic?
It's not useless, so. Adamu no useless at all. You see, as I dey follow you talk now, the guy dey with your sister inside room for room 019. You see wetin they dey do, Wetin they dey do? See your sister, you no go recognize.
Oga, wait. Repeat what you are saying. You are saying you are trying to tell me that useless boy is with my sister in this same hotel. For here, this is my sister here. What are you telling me now? This is my sister in this same place, and you are telling me this nonsense.
Calm down now. Why you dey do like this? Hey, don't tell them say na for my mouth you hear am o.
My best. I no go try am again. If you see the way this motor dey knock for public, if you see,
What? Which guy? No, move. Oga Kasali.
Very good. Oh yeah. Go down. Move.
Yes. Go. Oga.
Why did you knock my engine? Sir? Why did you knock my engine?
Sir. Oga, wetin he do? See, he do my sister too. He do my sister for you.
Very good. Double wahala for dead body. You are finished.
Oga, see all this what you are doing. Let us just burn him now. Sit tired for here now. We can just jump boy.
No. There's no need for tire. We are not burning anybody. When we finish drilling him here, you are taking him to the guard room. And that's it. If you see him next tomorrow, you thank God you didn't burn him.
I don't die. Yeah, okay.
Why did you do my sister?
Shut up. What did you do to your sister? What did you do to your sister?
No, she likes me.
She likes you. So my engine likes you too, Abi?
I not talk that one.
My engine likes you.
I not talk that one.
Why did you knock my engine? Why?
I did not knock.
Why did you knock my
I
engine?
did not knock the engine.
So what happened?
You see that engine? Now the kerosene tap we changed that one under the bonnet. Now they do that sound.
Shut up! You are very mad. This boy poured engine oil inside my radiator. Who does that? Engine oil inside radiator. Bros, if you see where this motor knocked, my car, Benz.
Ó ti bà tiyín jẹ́.
Bros,
Ó ti bàjẹ́ nìyẹn.
No, make I explain.
No, I just still explaining. Why are you explaining for? Okay. Why are you explaining for? Oh yeah, up. Fragile position. You can go. You've done well, Go.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oga Kasali, where you are?
Come down.
Which Oga Kasali?
Oga, thank you.
Which Oga Kasali?
I do.
Oga, no, later who will be going? Thank you.
Come down.
Come on, move Jare.
Boss.
Up.
Come down. Fucking bang.
Yusufi, you are not doing your job here. You are not doing your job. This is not why I brought you here. You are not doing well, You are not doing well, Yusuf, you are not doing well.
Okay.
Put this in, Put this.